My name is Jim. I'm the sales manager here at Forever Barnwood. Our goal is to offer an authentic alternative to reclaimed barnwood. Our products are commercial safe, food safe, free from contaminants like lead paint, formaldehyde, bugs, mold, mildew. One of the strengths at Forever Barnwood is our ability to wrap our arms around your entire project. We can do everything from floors to ceiling. We have oak barnwood flooring, pine barnwood flooring. We have shiplap and 1-inch dimensional for walls and ceilings. Our millwork package, we can do all of your doors in your project as well as all of the trim work that goes along with it. Another strength is that we can take on large projects. If you need 20,000 square feet of shiplap, if you need 10,000 square feet of reclaimed barnwood flooring, or maybe you need a whole semi-load of 1x12s, we're the one company that can provide that for you. I invite you to visit our website at foreverbarnwood.com, or better yet, give us a call. We'd be happy to help you with your project.